Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things, and I hope all my friends are enjoying their health and they are living happily. My dear friends, so many prayers and best wishes for all of you. Let's pray that Allah Almighty keep all of us safe and may He bless us with all the bounties of this world, and may He keep us safe and secure and actually grant us peace and the serenity and inner soothness and inner happiness to spend our lives in a very good way. So, my dear friends, this video is going to be a very good for all of you, because for especially women, because they are always thinking and searching for the rainbow wall art that is super beautiful and looks so gorgeous, and women are always excited about these things because they want to make these kind of things. They are searching for the wall arts, especially the rainbow wall art that is super gorgeous and especially easy to make. So they always keep gathering or searching for ideas so that they can make something new. They can utilize their free time to go for something new. So in this video, if you are one of those women who is finding, or even a male can do this, not only women, some male I have seen, they are so much interested in making these DIY things and doing the things in a creative way by their own. It's all up to the nature that what the person feels and what he wants. So if you are a creative like of a person, then this video is surely for you, because you can get so many ideas to make the rainbow wall arts, and some of them are made of crochet, some of them are in the bubble stitch. For example, this one you can see. And let me request you, my dear friends, if you like my videos, please hit like, and if you are here for the first time, I request you to please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So my dear friends, this rainbow wall art is so popular, and a large number of people actually love it. And when we hang this rainbow arts by making it finally finished look, it looks so gorgeous and so cute, and it actually makes that wall or the area so attractive where we hang it. So it has the rainbow colors, as well as now it has been changed because the trends keep changing and the styles also. And it goes with the passage of time that we see many variations in the designs and ideas. So people keep changing the ideas and keep adding more beautiful things to the designs. As you can see, there are so many different designs of the same colors. Sometimes they are in the circular shape, and sometimes they are in the hanging type of shape. It depends what kind of you are going for. For example, this one is the hanging type of the upper part is having dark colors, while the lower part is having white colors and a slight touch of the colors that are used above. And this one is also so cute. You can see its cuteness is evident from its colors and its outlook, because the one who has made it so cute. Clouds has been added with the white material, and look at these ones. The one is having hearts hanging with it, and the other is having just threads or yarn hanging with it. So both the ideas are here for you. It depends which idea are you going to for take. And this one is also so cute, having a gray upper side, and lower rainbow colors are becoming more prominent while coming in contrast. And look at this is so gorgeous. The creator has actually tried to give a proper rainbow look with a sun, with the clouds, and with all the rainbow colors around the circle. And this one is also having rainbow kind of color, not fully, but a slight colors. So if you want such things, you can even go for this. It's up to your choice that what are you going to make. This one is also very beautiful, because when we come to decorations or DIYs or something like creative and home decor, so women always feel so much interested in these things, because it's especially the area of women that they love to decorate their houses, they love to clean their houses, they love to make them more beautiful, and they love to adorn their houses in innovative ways, in different ways, in beautiful and stylish ways. So here are ideas in this video if you are one of those women who love to decorate the houses, because house is a place that is actually the love. In simple way, if we define home, it's love for us. So to decorate that place where we live, where we spend our lives, where we keep safe from all the things that are like everything, house keeps us safe. It's the best place. We feel so good and so comfortable while staying at home. So adorning and decorating the house is one of the basic things that we love and we appreciate and we feel excited about. You have, I think, ever noticed that whenever we decorate the house, whenever we adorn it, whenever we clean it or change its setting or add something new to its beauty or like something, we feel a different kind of pleasure, we feel a different kind of excitement, and that my excitement is something inner and something inner peace. We feel so delighted, and it actually doesn't end so soon. It actually uh, thing an emotion, or you can see a happiness that actually lasts so long and goes with us for a long period of time. So these ideas are here for you. Not only the rainbow art, people also love to make so many other things, and in future I would be sharing so many other ideas for home decor, and especially the crochet made, because most of the time I share the crochet items or yarn made items, because my viewers love to actually see and make these things, and these things are so beautiful because when you make something with your own hands, it is all about your creativity. And whenever we spend our time, whenever we utilize our time to create something, then hard work never goes without paying. Hard work is something that ultimately gives you something in reward, and this reward actually makes you prominent, makes you feel beautiful, and the world actually appreciates you ultimately, sooner or later, but it comes to you. It can never be possible that if you do hard work you don't succeed. It is never possible, because the person who does work hard ultimately succeeds. So if you are among the people who don't love to sit idle, and who don't love to just waste their time and without doing anything, then all my videos are for you, because I'm urging all my beautiful and kind viewers to make something new so that they may utilize their times in beautiful ways. There are ideas you can go for any. For example, this one is super cute and a different one. So sometimes we feel that we want to go for something that is not common, that is traditional, and sometimes it happens that we want to create something that is as traditional at the same time and also some different one, because it is with the passage of time that we keep adding some variations and modifications to the things, and the things remain traditional as well as they actually having some ideas and some modifications according to the latest trends, because the person or the culture who is having flexibility, that is having flexibility of changing and adding things and modifying the things with the passage of time, remains forever, and it remains evergreen, and it lives forever. And in contrast, if we see that the culture which is not having flexibility to adding the variations and to adding the new trends and new ideas, dies away. So go for the variations and welcome and accept the new styles. So I hope you are liking these cute ideas of rainbow art. If you like, please hit like, and let me say that take care of your families and your friends and yourselves, and we will meet in another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves and take care of your all the people around you. Save lives, stay home, and be happy. Take care. Bye bye.